So do you know the difference between a paddle brush and a wide tooth comb? Most men don't. This is why in this video, we're going to help you find the correct comb or brush for your hair. Because if you choose the right one, it will make styling your hair to guarantee compliments a breeze. But before we share the best top 7 combs or brushes for men, let's start with the benefits of combing and brushing your hair. First off, it's not just about looking good, it's about promoting healthy hair growth. Regular combing increases blood flow to your hair follicles, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to nourish your hair. Another perk is that combing and brushing helps remove dead skin from your scalp, preventing clogged pores and ingrown hairs. This can also reduce dandruff, helping to eliminate those pesky flakes that can fall throughout the day. But also, using a comb or brush allows you to have more control over your hairstyle. Whether you use while blow drying your hair for added volume or texture, or you use it just to create more control and hold throughout the day. It might seem easier to just use your fingers to style your hair, but it won't be long until your hair needs restyling. So let's break down the different types of brushes and combs and how each one can benefit your hair. Number 1, the classic comb. If you're aiming for a sharp, straight part or want to style your hair while it's still wet, the classic comb is definitely your go-to tool. It's perfect for creating a neat, uniform look, and it's gentle enough to use on wet hair without causing breakage. Plus, with its closely spaced teeth, you get those tight comb lines that really elevate your style, giving you that polished, neat, and tight finish. A popular hairstyle to use this for is the side part. Using the classic comb, create a precise, clean side part when your hair is damp. Then, simply apply sea salt spray, blow dry for added volume, and finish with clay for a medium hold, low shine finish. Number 2, the wide tooth comb. When your hair gets tangled, the wide tooth comb is your best bet. It's perfect for detangling both long and short hair, especially when it's wet. The wide teeth work like a gentle touch, almost like finger styling, which means less pulling, snagging, and overall damage to your hair. This makes it a great choice if you have fine or thinning hair, or if your hair is just naturally more delicate. It's also super easy on your scalp, so if you've got sensitive skin, this comb is definitely a win. Now, if you're into that chunky, separated style with tons of texture, the wide tooth comb is the tool you want. Because the teeth are spaced further apart, it lets you create those bold, defined sections with a lot of texture and PC separation. It's perfect for styles like the textured fringe, where you want to keep that natural, textured look without losing the definition. And to really make that texture pop, try adding some texture powder. Once you've detangled your hair, sprinkle a bit of the powder onto dry strands, then use the wide tooth comb to work it in and shape your style. You'll get that chunky, separated look with some added volume and control. Number 3, the classic hairbrush. Versatility is the name of the game with the classic hairbrush. Whether you have straight, wavy, or curly hair, this brush can handle it all, especially when styling dry hair. It's a reliable choice if you like to switch up your hairstyle frequently or go longer between cuts. A popular hairstyle to use this for is the pompadour. With your hair wet, apply sea salt spray and hit it with a hairdryer using the classic hairbrush to brush your hair upwards and away from your face. Apply putty once dry to lock in and use the brush again to add more control. Number 4, the vented hairbrush. If you're all about blow drying your hair for added volume, a vented hairbrush is a must-have. It allows air to pass through the brush, speeding up drying time and boosting volume. Plus, its design often helps reduce static and frizz, leaving your hair smooth and full of body. A great hairstyle to use this brush for is the classic waves hairstyle. The vented brush not only adds lift and fullness, but also helps keep frizz at bay. To really enhance those waves, start by applying a curl cream while your hair is still damp. This will help define the waves and keep them soft and touchable. If you need a bit more control or want to add some shine, finish off with a light application of pomade once your hair is dry. This combo will give you that perfect balance of definition and hold, keeping your waves looking sharp all day long. Number 5, the paddle brush. For those with medium to long hair who love sleek, straight styles, the paddle brush is your perfect companion. Its large surface area helps detangle and smooth your hair, making your cuticles lie flat for that healthy, natural shine. It's the go-to brush for achieving that polished, straight look. A popular hairstyle to use this for is the straight and sleek. This brush is ideal for creating smooth, straight styles like the classic look of Tom Cruise. To get that sleek and shiny finish, start by applying a heat protectant like treat to your damp hair. Then, as you blow dry, use the paddle brush to pull your hair straight from the roots to the ends, keeping it smooth and frizz-free. For extra sleekness and shine, finish off with a product like cream. Apply it after drying to tame any flyaways and to add a glossy finish. Number 6, the military brush. This brush is fantastic for short haircuts like buzz cuts or crew cuts and is equally great for beards. The dense bristles stimulate blood flow, distribute natural natural oils and help keep your hair and scalp healthy. It's perfect for achieving a slick back look as well, without leaving visible comb marks, and if you struggle to grow a beard, the military brush can even help stimulate facial hair growth. A popular hairstyle to use this for is the buzz cut. This brush helps keep your hair healthy and looking neat and polished. Finally, number 7, the beard and mustache comb. Beards need love too. A beard and mustache comb is essential for keeping your facial hair well groomed. It helps reduce tangles, distribute natural oils, and even combats beard dandruff. Plus, a quick comb through can freshen up your beard midday, keeping you looking sharp. The beard comb ensures your beard stays well groomed and free of tangles. So there we have it. By choosing the right brush or comb and pairing it with the perfect hairstyle, you can elevate your grooming game and achieve a look that's both stylish and healthy. And don't forget to clean your brush or comb too. Remove loose hair by using a pen or pencil, clean with hand soap and water, and gently towel dry after use. So take your pick. Our range of combs and brushes can be found in the description below.